Hi, cutie friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, SoFuckingBomb.com. This tutorial is for a quick and easy, everyday natural look. And worry not, we're all starting on a level playing field. I took pictures of myself this morning to prove it, so let's do this. On a clean, dry face before applying any other skincare products, I'm starting with e.l.f. Soap Brow and a spoolie. I'm going to get the spoolie wet, then roll it around in the e.l.f. Soap Brow and comb my eyebrows into place. Next, I'm applying FACEFORWARD's eyelid primer and concealer using a small concealer brush to avoid cakiness. I'm applying all over my eyelids, especially focusing on the inner and outer corners where dark discoloration often appears. After that, I'm going to contour my eyes using bronzer. I'm using Tahitian Tan from Face Forward with a fluffy blending brush, focusing on the outer third of the eye, blending the bronzer into, above, and below the crease to give my eyes a noticeable lift. Now I'm using one of my favorites, the I Need a Nude eyeshadow palette from Natasha Denona. Using the shade Fair and an angled precision eyeshadow brush, I'm going to pat over all the areas of my eyes that I didn't hit with the bronzer, especially those inner corners and on top of my brow bone. Then using Face Forward gel pencil eyeliner in the shade Noir, I'm quickly lining my upper water and lash line, then finishing the wings with a black precision liquid eyeliner, and then 2 coats of mascara. Now for my face, I'm using what I like to call the 1-2 punch from Face Forward. Rose Face Balm for hydration and plumping and mineral sheer tint with SPF 20 for protection. I'm first applying the Rose Face Balm, then following with the mineral sheer tint in the shade Cameo Glow for a bright and natural finish. Next is cream blush and under eye concealer. First, I'm applying the cream blush in the shade Ballet Slippers, starting in the middle of my cheekbone to the top of my temple. Then I'll blend my concealer in the shade Light Peach from the inner corners of my eyes, extending out to my temples, slightly overlapping the blush. I'll now set my face using Invisible Pressed Powder from Face Forward, my Tahitian Tan bronzer, mineral blush in the shade Sparkling Rosé, and highlighter in shade 04. For the invisible pressed powder, I'll use a large brush to pat all over my face, including underneath my eyes. I'll then use bronzer to sculpt and contour my nose, underneath my cheeks, the top of my forehead, jawline, and neck. I'll use the mineral blush on top of the cream blush to add a pop of color, and I'll highlight where my concealer and blush meet on top of the cheekbones and above the end of each eyebrow. I'm now going to use a precision angled brush to create hair-like strokes with my Face Forward brow balm, then followed by the precision brow pencil, and finish with the deep brunette brow tint. One of my favorite natural lip combinations from Face Forward is the matte lipstick in the shade Burlesque, then followed with the waterproof gel lip liner in S'more, and the luxury gloss in the shade Uptown Girl, applied in that order. Lastly, the holy grail of setting sprays, Benefit's Super Setter Spray. I use a mini handheld fan to complete the drying, and then I drop the mic ready to go out and conquer the world. Thank you again so much for visiting my channel, SoFuckingBomb.com. If you'd like to support me, you can do so by subscribing to this channel and liking this video. You can find all of these products by clicking the link to my LTK shop in the bio of my YouTube channel, Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. The best is yet to be, and the future is ours. Love you, mean it. Bye.